Former public protector Thuli Madonsela is now at the center of an increasingly complex legal dispute over the estate of her late fiancé, businessman Richard Dick Foxton. What began as a challenge to his final will has expanded into a broader court battle involving allegations about the validity of the will, the administration of the estate, and the competing claims from both sides. Madonsela has asked the Johannesburg High Court to declare what she describes as Foxton's 2025 will invalid. She also wants the executors removed, arguing that the required legal formalities may not have been followed when the document was signed. In addition, she has raised concerns that undue influence may have played a role in the creation of the disputed will. According to her court papers, Madonsela says her relationship with Foxton went far beyond that of a dating couple. She describes them as permanent life partners whose relationship closely resembles a marriage. She said they built a shared life together after meeting in 2016, became engaged in 2017, and planned to spend the rest of their lives together. Madonsela also argues that Foxton repeatedly assured her she would be financially secured after his death. She says earlier versions of his will reflected that intention by gradually increasing the financial provision made for her, eventually setting aside 10 million rand to help her purchase a home in Stellenbosch. One important part of her case centers on a diary entry dated February 3, 2025. She argues that the entry does not record meetings with the executors or witnesses on the same day the disputed will was allegedly signed, raising questions she believes deserve closer examination. The executors and several members of the Foxton family strongly reject her claims. They are asking the court to confirm that the February 2025 document is Foxton's final valid will. If the judge believes there are too many factual disputes to decide the matter based only on written affidavits, they want the case referred to a full trial where witnesses can testify in person. The respondents are also demanding that Madonsela provide documents supporting her allegations, including diary entries and emails. They are further seeking a court order requiring her to retract statements they describe as defamatory, remove related social media posts, and issue a written apology. In addition, they are claiming occupational compensation and other property-related costs connected to her continued stay at a residence outside Stellenbosch. Both sides have made it clear they do not intend to argue the case through the media. Instead, they maintain that the evidence should be tested in court, where the legal questions surrounding the will, the estate, and the competing claims can ultimately be resolved. As this case moves forward, it is likely to attract continued public attention because it combines sensitive family matters with significant legal questions about wills, estate administration, and long-term partnerships. What do you think will be the most important issue for the court to decide? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay with us for future updates as this legal battle continues to unfold.